Welcome to another video. In this one, we're visiting the Myakka Elephant Ranch. You can talk.
You have arrived.
It's like going into Jurassic Park.
It kind of is.
Myakka City is in Florida. It's pretty close to Sarasota. If you're visiting Sarasota, you would definitely want to come and try to do this. I couldn't resist leaving this in here. This is my daughter-in-law. She walked into a spider web. It was actually pretty funny for us. I know it wasn't funny for her, but she's a good sport. Okay, I'm going to give you kind of a rapid fire of the whole experience over the next hour and a half. Hey, this is the gift shop, pretty nice gift shop. This is the patio area where they start off this particular encounter. That's what the grounds look like. These are the bathrooms. These are the cleanest bathrooms I would ever, I did not expect the bathrooms to be this nice. That's why I put them in there. On the way back to the main building there, I spotted Patty. This is the elephant that we're going to be bathing a little bit later. And back under the patio, while I was in the bathroom, they set this out, and basically you get to come up, cut the food up. It's mixed with some grain and stuff, elephant food. And this is pretty much what starts off the encounter. You come in as a group. You put down the bowl of food, and in walks the gigantic elephant.
2 years old. Wow. She's an Asian elephant. Just gonna dig right in there. So while she's eating, I'm gonna kind of do a little education on elephants. Tell you all about her. So the easiest way to tell the difference from the African and the Asian elephant is you look at the ears of the Asian elephant. The main purpose for that is to really help protect them from the sun and insects. In the wild in Africa, they could have to walk up to 40 miles a day.
First thing is they give you a carrot, celery, other stuff, and an apple, I think. And you hold it behind your back because you don't really want the elephant to see it. And then you get to go up and feed it. So everybody in the group got to go up, and you hand the elephant the fruit or the vegetable, and it eats it up. It's pretty cool. They're massive. The end of their trunk is way more like a little hand than I ever thought. And this by far is the closest that I've ever been to an elephant. I guarantee you that. So far, so good. Started off very cool.
I mean, she does it every day, and there's nothing that she doesn't enjoy.
After the snack, then starts the washing. So they escort her out while they rinse all the food and everything off the pad there. And then you spray her down with some kind of soap solution that's special for elephants and rhinos and stuff that has skin like that. And then you start scrubbing and soap her up. Everybody gets to take a turn, and it's kind of I would say a 3-step process. You spray her down with the soap, you brush her, and then you rinse her. Everybody got, I would say, more time to do this than you definitely didn't feel like you got gypped in any way. Everybody got like at least 2 tries on either side. And here you're painting their toenails. They actually have, those are toenails with like a keratin type lubricant moisturizer. And look at the size of the foot, is just massive. And I guess she was a little confused over where the guys wanted her to put her foot. But that was pretty much the whole thing. And then they put her out to pasture, so to speak. She walks around, rubs on the tree, and then that pretty much wraps it up. It's about an hour and 15 minutes. This is the giant scale that they weigh her on. She weighs 7,340 pounds, as you can see. And then there's plenty of conversation time to ask more questions. The 2 guys that did this and the ladies in the gift shop were just amazing. If you've made it this long, go to the Linger Lodge. This is like in the back of an RV park. It's a middle of nowhere. Google says it's a hidden gem. It was so good. I got gator chowder. You can see they've got some funny things on the menu here, roadkill kind of stuff. This is kind of a joke. None of that was actually available to buy. But the food was excellent. And if you do a morning
Where's
or
the
really
tire track
anytime,
comment?
this place I would highly recommend. This was such a fun thing. We can't wait to do it again. We're going to do a different one. They're getting 2 African elephants pretty soon. So we can't wait to go back. But here's just a couple of pictures from the meals. Rack of ribs, fried shrimp. I got a catfish Reuben. Chicken fingers. That's my Reuben. Anyway, so much fun. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this kind of stuff. Please subscribe. See you next time.